Dada eat first. Now we cut the sandwich. No, how did Dada show you?
You eat it, Julia, eat it. Oh, that's a big sandwich.
Put it down now, let's cut it. No, hold on. You hold the knife like this, and then put it here. Go. Go. Hold on. You gotta put this here. Go. Go. Go.
Concentrating, Julia.
Ooh. Go. One more. Last one. One more. Yay!
Yay!
Give Dada a kiss now, big one, big kiss. Dada wants a kiss. No, Dada wants a kiss. Dada wants a kiss. More. Make another sandwich.
You make a sandwich for Mama?
Dada make a sandwich. Say
No.
please.
Thank you. Mama, eat. Yummy. I'm gonna cut the sandwich, Julia.
Dada hold the sandwich. Like this. Uh-oh, it's okay. Dada will get it.